News now coming in from the Punjab Congress. Congress Neta Navjot Singh Sidhu is in Delhi. He is meeting Sonia Gandhi and the party's high command as well. Sidhu met Congress President at her residence at 10 Janpath. The meeting has now concluded. It went on for about 1 hour. Party's Punjab Affairs in charge Harish Rawat also present in the meeting. After the meeting is over, Harish Rawat said that no decision was taken in the meeting and final decision on truce formula will be taken by the party president. Meanwhile, India Today has exclusive details of why possibly was Sidhu called to Delhi, because Captain Amrinder Singh, the Chief Minister and a senior face of the Punjab Congress, was reportedly upset because there was a meeting that has allegedly taken place by Sidhu with 5 ministers, 10 MLAs, and according to sources, Sidhu reportedly provoking them to offer mass resignations. And after this, the captain then had a long conversation with the Harish Rawat, who's the Punjab Affairs in charge. And it appears after that conversation, Navjot Singh Sidhu has been called to Delhi. So could this be a moment of elevation, or could this be a moment of the senior command of the party telling him to only toe the line and not cross it?
बिल्कुल कौन कहता है? आप कृपा करके मेरे बयान को बहुत केयरफुली पढ़िए जो मैंने कहा है और शब्दों को समझिए। जब तक कांग्रेस प्रेसिडेंट बात को क्लियर नहीं करती है तब तक मुझे भी जानकारी इस बात की नहीं हो सकती है कि इनफैक्ट उनका लास्ट डिसीजन क्या होगा।
नवजोत सिंह सिद्धू से पूछ लें पहले कहाँ जाना है उनको। अभी वो आम पार्टी के बारे में बड़ाई कर रहे थे, आम पार्टी वाले उनकी कर रहे थे। ये जो लोग ब्लैकमेलिंग करते हैं, मुझे लगता है राजनीति में ये सेवा करने के लिए नहीं आए। जो मुद्दे हैं जिससे कांग्रेस डूबेगी, उन मुद्दे पर क्या करेंगे सिद्धू? इनको कोई बचाने वाला नहीं है। कुछ भी कर लें, कैसे भी कर लें, खाली इनका बंटवारे से मतलब है।
So why this war of Sardars could be a fear that the Gandhi family also has for the Punjab Congress? Let me now take you through what precisely are their strengths and drawbacks. Now, Sidhu could quit the Congress if the issue has been mishandled and ahead of elections the party would not want it. However, annoyed Captain Amrinder Singh could be further irked as well. He's still the Chief Minister. He's still the senior most face. Congress would want to retain him. Now, any misstep could deepen the divide in the Punjab Congress just about 7 to 8 months before state goes to elections. Even if pacified, Navjot Singh Sidhu is volatile, is unpredictable, and there have been reports of him probably jumping the ship. Anand Patel, my colleague, is outside 10 Janpath. He'll get us all the latest on that. So, of course, there are different concerns that Sonia Gandhi and Rahul Gandhi may have, Anand, for Navjot Singh Sidhu. But the fact remains, he is a popular neta and he is unpredictable.
That is there. But one has to also consider the fact that at this point in time, the Congress party in Punjab needs a revamp. There has been a lot of anti-incumbency sentiments against Captain Amrinder Singh regime, and going with that in the election might cost them dear. And that is the reason why this entire organizational restructuring and reshuffle in the cabinet is being talked about, and that was the idea which was mooted by most of the MLAs, MPs and other senior leaders who had met the three-member panel in the month of June, formed by the Congress president. So based on those feedbacks, this entire restructuring both in the organization and in the cabinet is being carried out. And now we have known that Navjot Singh Sidhu doesn't want a place in the cabinet. The captain camp went to the extent of accommodating him as a deputy chief minister. But Navjot Singh Sidhu feels that since the elections are around the corner, he won't be able to deliver much. And that is the reason why he's been pitching himself as PCC chief. Which has been unacceptable to Captain Amrinder Singh, given the fact that both leaders are from the Jat Sikh community. The captain has been making a point that the PCC chief should be someone from Hindu community. So also there has been a lot of bad blood between the two leaders, a lot of comments and statements from Navjot Singh Sidhu and personal attacks on Captain Amrinder Singh hasn't gone down with the captain camp as well. So it will be difficult for Captain Amrinder Singh to work with Navjot Singh Sidhu at a time when the elections are around the corner. And that is the reason why his camp is opposing Sidhu as the PCC. a tightrope walk has to be done by the High Command here, accommodating both the
And
leaders.
this, remember,
given the
Anand,
fact
one of
that
the
it's a
few
tight-
states left in the country still ruled by the Congress, where the Congress is still hopeful of likely returning to power, but cannot keep one of the most senior-most faces, their popular netas, together to get the party into victory mode for elections. Thank you so much, Anand. Keep tracking the latest.
पायजामा पहने हुए हैं और देखिए पगड़ी लगाए